Hello and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make zucchini peas potato curry in Instant Pot. Zucchini peas and potato curry is infused with spices and super easy to make in Instant Pot in no time. It's a simple and tasty Indian style stir fry that is easy one-pot curry and a perfect wholesome meal. So let's take a look at the ingredients. For the vegetables, of course, I have 2 zucchinis, it's medium-sized zucchini, 3/4 cup of sweet frozen peas, or you can use fresh peas, and 1 medium potato. Rest of the ingredients are spices. Here I have oil, I'm using vegetable oil, you can use olive oil if you want. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of green chilies, and about 1/8 cup to 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Cut zucchini and potatoes into small to medium sized cubes. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post. And don't forget to share the recipes with your friends and family if you enjoy it. It's almost the end of summer, but I did not want to leave out zucchini for this season. So here I am sharing with you zucchini potato curry recipe. And here's the tip. If you do not want to use potatoes, you can absolutely substitute it with cauliflower. And you can also toss in some chickpeas instead of sweet peas if you want. But be sure to use canned chickpeas or boiled chickpeas in this recipe. And the reason is chickpeas takes a lot of time to cook and zucchini takes little to no time. In an Instant Pot, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Put the Instant Pot on saute mode and let the oil heat up. Then into the pot goes zucchini, potatoes and peas. Add a teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of coriander powder, green chilies. I'm gonna leave out turmeric for now. Add chopped cilantro. Now give this a good mix. Now add just a pinch of turmeric and a couple of drops of oil on it. And the reason I'm doing this is I did not add turmeric powder directly into the hot oil because I did not want it to get burned. This way, the curry will get a nice color. Mix everything. Add just a 1/4 cup of water and let this come to a boil. Then close the Instant Pot and seal the air vent. Turn off the saute mode and put the Instant Pot on manual mode for 5 minutes. After the Instant Pot goes off, let it naturally release the inbuilt pressure and then open the lid. Zucchini and potatoes are nicely cooked. So turn off the Instant Pot and let's take this out into another bowl. Enjoy this zucchini peas potato curry with rice, roti, or parathas. As you saw, it's super simple to make. It's one-pot meal recipe. Hope you enjoyed this recipe video and do give this a try. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post and don't forget to hit the like button down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.